Imagine walking into a bustling school where students are engaged, respectful, and responsible. Teachers are not reprimanding, but rather reinforcing positive behavior. This utopian-like image isn't a figment of a hopeful educator's imagination, but a tangible reality made possible by a framework called Positive Behavioral Interventions and Supports, or PBIS. PBIS, in its simplest form, is a proactive approach to establishing behavioral supports and social culture needed for all students in a school to achieve social, emotional, and academic success. It's not a packaged curriculum, scripted intervention, or manualized strategy, but a broad range of systemic and individualized strategies for achieving important social and learning outcomes in safe and effective environments. Now, imagine the benefits of such a system. PBIS has been shown to significantly reduce the occurrence of problem behaviors in the school, making the school environment safer and more conducive to learning. Additionally, it promotes positive social skills, increasing the likelihood of student success. Essentially, PBIS sets the stage for teachers to teach and students to learn. Moreover, PBIS provides a positive impact on the school-wide climate. It fosters respectful and trusting relationships among students and staff. It also creates a more inclusive school culture where every student feels valued and engaged. But the benefits of PBIS don't stop within the school walls. By teaching students how to behave positively, it also prepares them to become responsible adults, ready to contribute positively to society. In addition, PBIS also supports teachers and school staff. It provides them with practical strategies to manage classroom behavior effectively. It also allows them to spend less time on discipline and more time on instruction, thereby increasing their job satisfaction. And the beauty of PBIS is that it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. It provides a flexible framework that schools can customize to fit their unique needs and culture. Yet, like any other approach, PBIS isn't a magic bullet. It requires consistent implementation, ongoing training, and continuous assessment for it to be effective. But the potential benefits it offers make all the effort worthwhile. So why not delve deeper into the world of PBIS? There are numerous resources available online, from introductory materials to in-depth guides and research articles. PBIS isn't just about improving behavior in schools. It's about creating a positive, productive, and inclusive culture where every student can thrive. In closing, PBIS is more than an approach or a framework. It's a mindset, a culture, and a way of life. It's about seeing the potential in every student and nurturing it. It's about creating a school environment where everyone feels valued, respected, and engaged. And it's about fostering a community of lifelong learners who are not just academically successful, but also socially responsible and emotionally resilient. So why not explore PBIS today? It could be the key to transforming your school and shaping the future of education.